a binary black hole. Double trouble. You might have known about a black hole, but are you familiar with the concept of a binary black hole? As the name implies, this is like double trouble. Here, binary means two. So two black holes are what a binary black hole means. But is that all? Is it this simple? Of course not. This is Earthy Perks, and in this episode, we will tell you all about a binary black hole in detail. A binary black hole, also abbreviated as BBH, is a system consisting of two black holes in close orbit around each other. Like black holes themselves, binary black holes are often divided into stellar binary black holes. It is formed either as remnants of high-mass binary star systems or by dynamic processes and mutual capture. These binary supermassive black holes are believed to be the result of galactic mergers. Proving the existence of binary black holes was made difficult because of the nature of black holes themselves and the limited means of detection available. However, if a pair of black holes were to merge, an immense amount of energy should be given off as gravitational waves, with distinctive waveforms that can be calculated using general relativity. Therefore, during the late 20th and early 21st century, binary black holes became of great interest scientifically as potential source of such waves, and a means by which gravitational waves could be proven to exist. Binary black hole mergers would be one of the most potent known sources of gravitational waves in the universe. As the orbiting black holes give off these waves, the orbit decays, and the orbital period decreases. This stage is called a binary black hole in spiral. The black holes will merge once they are close enough. Once merged, the single black hole settles down to a stable form via a stage called ring down, where any distortion in shape is dissipated as more gravitational waves. The existence of stellar mass binary black holes and gravitational waves themselves was finally confirmed when LIGO detected GW150914 in September 2015 and announced it on February 2016. It was a distinctive gravitational wave signature of two merging stellar mass black holes of around 30 solar masses each, occurring about 1.3 billion light years away. In its final 20 meters per second of spiraling inward and merging, GW150914 released around 3 solar masses as gravitational energy, peaking at a rate of 3.6 times 1049 watts. It was more than the combined power of all light radiated by all the stars in the observable universe put together. Another example is of the galaxies with double cores still far apart. For instance, a double nucleus is NGC 6240. Much closer black hole binaries are likely in a single core galaxies with double emission lines. Other galactic nuclei have periodic emissions suggesting large objects orbiting a central black hole. For example, in OJ287, the quasar PG130-102 appears to have a binary black hole with an orbital period of 1,900 days. One of the problems to solve is the shape or topology of the event horizon during a black hole merger. As two holes approach each other, a duckbill shape protrudes from each of the two event horizons towards the other one. This protrusion extends larger and narrower until it meets the protrusion from the other black hole. At this point, the event horizon has a very narrow X-shape at the meeting point. The meeting point expands to a roughly cylindrical connection called a bridge. Simulations as of 2011 had not produced any event horizons with toroidal topology. Regarding the energy zone, it has been hypothesized that binary black holes could transfer energy and momentum to a spacecraft using a halo drive. The reflections passing through these null geodesics would form one end of the laser cavity, with the mirror on the spacecraft forming the other end of the laser cavity. Even a planet-sized spacecraft would thereby accelerate to speeds exceeding the approaching black hole's relative rate. If accurate, a network of these binary black holes might permit travel across the galaxy. These supermassive and super energetic giants do exist in this universe and have the capacity to either help in space exploration by providing apt energy, but it gets furious. They might destroy the galaxy in no time. With this, Earthy Perks is signing off. Till next episode, stay tuned and keep watching Earthy Perks.